Hi, continue with forms. I will explain textarea element and button element. So if you haven't watched input and select element, so make sure you watch it first. So textarea define a multiple line input field. So it's like an input field but with multiple lines. So simple. Just textarea tag and attribute name, which we call text. And there are other attributes, but I will show you this later. And just to close this text area and save, reload. Nice. So here is the text area. It's like an input field but with multiple lines. So we can control the size for the text area like this. We can make more than one line. But you notice now when we reload the page, the text area has the size by default. So to control it, we gotta use column attribute and row attribute. Rows specify the number of lines in a text area. Columns specify the width of the text area. So here let we make rows equal to, let we make it 3 lines, and the columns, which is the width of the text area, let we make it, for example, 5. So the size of the text area now is 3 rows and 5 columns, and also we still can control the size like this. We can also specify the max length and the minimum length of the characters that should insert inside the text area. So for example, let me make a max length equal to just 5 characters. So we can't insert more than 5 characters. And also we can use an attributes like read only, disabled, autocomplete, autofocus, the same like input element. So we can here type something like and make it just read only. So the user can't edit it. We make it bigger. So the user can't insert any data or type something inside the text area. So this is the text area. Let me now move to button element. So it's so simple. Just button, and this button, its type is button, and we can give it a value equal to anything. I will make it empty like this. Then the name of the button. We can make a break tag to separate them. So just we can click it. We can link this button to our website. We also have type submit. So do you see now the difference? So submit will submit the form to the server, but the type button, just clickable button that you can use it to make a function using JavaScript, or you can make an action and link it to a website. You will see this when you start learning JavaScript or any kind of programming language. We also have a type reset. All those types we can create it using input. So let we remove reload only. Now let me remove the max length. Now let me start typing anything. and if we click the button, it will reset. Nice. And also we can use some other attributes like autofocus or disabled. We can disable this button. So disabled. So we can't click this button. Maybe those attributes not useful for the button now, but when you really learn JavaScript and use it to disable a button, imagine if you have an offer for product or something and there is a button will take the user to the offer. The offer has an expiration date. Once this offer is expired, you can disable the link so the user can't use this button to go to the offer. This is one of the ideas that disabled will help you to make it. And also we can make it autofocus. Instead of disabled, we can make it autofocus. Nice. So that's everything about forms. We have explained input element and the attributes that used with input element. We have explained select element and the attributes. And finally, the text area and the but elements. Just remain two other elements. So in the next lesson, I will explain field set and data list elements. So good luck with your practicing and studying and see you next time.